Welcome back to another value-packed video. So today I have a request on how do I create images using AI. So I want to show you guys how I create my image, and I think this is one of the best way to create an image with ChatGPT, to be precise. You can use other tools like Leonardo, like all these other tools, but eventually they are not that handy compared to ChatGPT. Most of us, we have been using ChatGPT to create content. We are using it to do a lot of stuff, to do research. Now, those other tools, you don't use them for research, you don't use them to create content. So for you to now leave ChatGPT and go to those tools is somehow. But I've been able to create consistent images using ChatGPT, and I've asked people, and people have asked me, how do you do that? Like literally, I have many of my content, I have many of my thumbnails that are made by ChatGPT. Like literally, I have a lot of pictures that are basically ChatGPT, and you will never know. Not even in this particular account, I have the paid account where I have pictures, and all these pictures are literally ChatGPT based pictures. So how do you create images like this? And even if you want to, let's say you want to be posting regularly on your account, on your Instagram page, you are wondering if you need to go and use Canva to do designs. You don't need Canva to do designs. These designs, all these things can be done using ChatGPT, and it will be very clear. It will look like a professional design. Look at it, top 5 skills to learn in 2025. Artificial intelligence, data science, everything is there. You never know that this is just a prompt-based design, right? So that is what, and you can use your normal picture, upload your picture, and turn it into cartoon like this. All I had to do was just upload my normal picture, and it turned into a cartoon, and this is literally me. Like, this is literally my cartoon. You can also create things like normal advertorial. Let's say you want to see this thing, you want to do something like this, you can do it. All these are done for free. So let's say you are creating a digital product and you need images inside of your product, right? This product, you require you to have image inside of them. Some of them you want to use them as a cover of your image. Let's say this, something like this, ultimate step-by-step blueprint to create and sell your ebook online, and you need something like this. This is something before we used to pay, right? Or you have to take your time. Now I don't need that. Just prompt and I'm good to go. So let me show you my model, how I prompt this tool. Something like this. This particular image literally is one of the most images I've had on my LinkedIn post. Because of this image, like, I got a lot of likes on that particular post, and it's just ChatGPT based, right? So let me show you, let me take you to my visual content ideas where I prompt it. If you guys need the prompt, I can give you the prompt. This one I want to use as a demo for you guys. When you want to prompt this tool to create an image for you, there are key things that are very important. Now, this is an example of just a straight prompt. See what I have here. Turn this image into a highly visual image I can post on LinkedIn, right? The most important thing about you creating image is to let the AI know the platform you are going to post, the platform, right? So if you are going to be posting it on IG, on LinkedIn, or on Facebook, your first rule is to let the AI know where you are going to be posting it from, because when you do that, it will give you the dimension. You can see now this is a LinkedIn post dimension. This is how you post on LinkedIn. This is not a YouTube thumbnail kind of post. So you must mention first the platform where this image is going to, even before you start to talk about how it will look like, so that when the AI is creating the image, it has the context of the size of the design and everything before even creating. So that is one thing you must do. You need to be descriptive in your prompt. Now see, have a career, I just explain everything that I want, right? Explain it in details. I ask him to show me before and after kind of case study, and you can see the design like a before kind of after case study. How a career coach can build an AI resume tool, earning 8K a month in passive. This is even a very bad example of what I'm about to show you next. Now in the next one, let me show you what makes it different. I have to now go and now work on a better prompt. What is the better prompt? I let the AI know what we call subject action. Subject action is you want the AI to understand a particular image you want him to create and what the image should be doing. Should the image be running or jumping, right? If you have anything like a metaphor you want to use, like an example, like an illustration, you must mention it. If you have a visual hook, a statement that must show on the picture, you also have it there. Now, incorporate styles. This is what we call base prompt. From here now is what we call base prompt. After this, I will still be giving individual pictures that I want the AI to create, but I will not need this base prompt again. I'll just give the normal write-up. Okay, let me make it simple. Okay, let me illustrate it for you to understand. This first part here would tell this entire window where I am now that, oh, this guy need all the images to be created in this format. So let me show you an example. First thing is, this prompt here is create an image with the title, right? I have the title here. A coach standing on a floating platform launching 5 glowing boxes. Then inside the box, label, chat box, assessment, etc. Toward the city of a client. Golden growth arrows exploding from boxes. 3D isometric view, vibrant gradient, dynamic perspective. You see how descriptive this is? It's so descriptive that look at what the AI did. The AI followed every single thing to the letter except for one mistake. The mistake is this place is supposed to be 5 AI powered, but instead of powered, it said powered. Instead of D, you use 0 OL, right? That is the only mistake here, but everything here is with chatbot, content, tool, assessment. You can see the write-up are clear. The box I want, the building I want is here. The person here is here too because of the description. Another one is this. The title here is turn framework into 10K per month app, right? Hand turning a coaching flow chart into glowing smartphones. Spotting gold coins. Transformation effects. Paper to digital. Clean vector, duotone, purple gold palette. Now, all these prompts, I will show you how to generate this prompt before you now use it to create image. The problem with most of you when you guys are trying to generate image is that you generate prompt in the same window and you now use that prompt to generate image. ChatGPT will give you a very poor result. This prompt, I go to another window, I open another chart like this, right? A new chart, and I now say, create me a prompt that I can use for this and this and that, and it will create me the prompt. If the prompt is not okay for me, I adjust the prompt. When I get the prompt, I bring the prompt to this place, a different place to create the image. That is how I'm able to get this. And this is perfect. This is exactly what I needed. This is exactly what I'm looking for. The whole thing is just because of the description of the prompt. The same thing here. Now see one pattern I want to take note. When I'm talking to this tool, to the AI, I want bubble equal to wrench, ChatGPT 4 equal to brain, Stripe equal to credit card. Look at wrench, right? Stripe, credit card, ChatGPT 4 equal to the brain. No code tool I use. See, if you don't match these things like this, the AI can put brain and put this spinner here and carry this. So you have to make sure that if you want brain to be there, you let him know the name on the brain should be ChatGPT 4. You want a card, the name on the card should be Stripe. Now everything aligns. Anybody that sees this understand what I'm talking about. They know that ChatGPT is brain, Stripe is a payment, and there's a card there. This is how to get it. Without this kind of prompt, you can never get this kind of result. Another thing is this, right? 2 runners, 1 sweating, label U. It didn't get me that one. Then the other one gliding on a rocket skate, the competitor, right? You can see, boom. Actually, ChatGPT switched it for me, but it also made sense. So the AI is going to make mistake, right? But the whole goal here is that you need to have a prompt that will give you the highest potential of getting a very good image for your designs. And once you understand how this thing works, you'll just be creating a lot of images that are very good for you without any issue. Look at this. This one here was well done, still just because of the prompt, right? This one is well done because of the prompt. Look at the prompt here. Create an image using high single contract before and after split image that instantly sells the transformation, right? The transformation is that from here you want to go here, and this thing understand. Just use the language that you know rhymes with what you are looking for, and this AI is going to get the job for you. But before you create this, remember this is a prompt. This is a prompt. I have to create this one somewhere, right? Then bring this prompt here to create the image. If I create this prompt here and bring the image and I now just create the image here, I might not get the same kind of result. I've tried it before, it doesn't work that way. So that is what you do. So just 3 steps. Step number 1, know what you want to create. Step number 2, create a prompt in a different window. Step number 3, paste the prompt in the image creation window. Let me see. So I hope this helps for you guys that are asking about how do I get quality images using ChatGPT. And this is on my free account. I'm not paying for this, is all free, and I'm getting this type of value. You can use it to post on your LinkedIn, you can post on your Instagram, you can have unlimited content to be posting every single day with this ChatGPT prompt and style of creating image. All right guys, see you in the next one.